Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The International Labour Organization is projecting a sharp downturn in the global labour market due to multiple crises, including the war in Ukraine and widespread inflation. El Salvador became the first country in the world to declare Bitcoin legal tender. However, a public watchdog group in El Salvador, the Anti-Corruption Legal Advisory Center, has condemned the lack of transparency around Bitcoin accounting. Britain should consider changing the Bank of England's policy of paying interest to banks on the reserves they hold there, former BOE Deputy Governor Charlie Bean said. The Bitcoin dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The gold dollar pair gained 0.8% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw Nike's stock drop 1.7%. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Aussie dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The ROC is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The US ADP employment change will be released at 12:15 GMT. The US Fed interest rate decision at 1800 hours GMT. The US Fed's monetary policy statement at 1800 hours GMT. Germany's trade balance will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Germany's unemployment change at 0855 GMT. Germany's 10Y bond auction at 10:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.